Let's have a chat. I asked AI, what should I do with the $500 I saved? For some people, it's an emergency cushion. For others, it's a way to crush debt or even start investing. By the end, you'll know the smartest next move for your $500.
First priority, stability. If you don't already have an emergency fund, park that $500 in a safe, easy to reach account. Even one unexpected car repair or medical bill can wipe you out. With this cushion, you've got breathing room.
So, this $500 becomes a safety net, not just another number in an account.
You got it. It buys you time and keeps you from sliding into high interest debt when surprises hit. Next option, pay down high interest debt like credit cards. If your card charges 20% interest, using $500 here is like earning a guaranteed 20% return. No investment matches that without risk.
Okay, I see. So the $500 works harder by stopping money from leaking out in interest.
Correct. Every dollar toward debt frees up future dollars you'd otherwise lose. Next, if your emergency fund is set and your high interest debt is under control, think about growth. Even starting small, $500 can open a Roth IRA, a high yield savings account, or buying a fractional share of an EFT.
But $500 doesn't sound like much in investing terms.
It's not the size, it's the start. Beginning the habit is what counts. Over time, consistent contributions turn into serious growth. Finally, and don't forget priorities that reduce stress or add value. For example, covering a past due bill, fixing a car so you can get to work, or buying tools that help you earn. Really, the point is to align that $500 with your real life, not just a chart.
So the best use isn't one answer, it's the answer that fits where you are right now.
That's it exactly.
So, what should you do with the $500 you saved? First, protect yourself with an emergency cushion. Second, crush high interest debt. Third, start small with growth and always align it with your real life. That's your next step toward making every dollar count. If you want to see more, watch my video on the above.